Today we're going to learn how to round to the hundreds place. So it's going to be a lot like yesterday, how we did with rounding tens, and there's still some rules. So if we look at the number 242, we want to look at which hundred is it nearest. So it's going to be just like how we started yesterday, as I'm going to start with this number, the 2 in the hundreds place. So 200 is the smaller hundred, and then if I go to the next hundred, that's going to be 300. So somewhere in the middle is going to be the number 250. So any number that falls between 250 and 299, they're all going to round up to 300. Any number that's less than 250, 249, all the way down to 201 is going to round to 200. So when we look at 242, where that appears on the number line is going to be, well, there's 200, 250. This would be 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. So 242 would be right about here. Is that closer to 200 or is that closer to 300? And hopefully you see that it's less than 250, so 242 would round to 200. That's its closest hundred. Now let's look at a number like 272. Okay, 272, well, I've got 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290. So 272 would be right about here. Now 272 is greater than 250. So any number that falls from 250 and higher would round up to the next hundred. So 272's nearest hundred would be 300. Okay, and just like with rounding, and then you have a number that has that 5, that's right in the middle, 250. It's right in the middle. Where are we going to round 250? Anytime we look and we have that special 5, 6, 7, or 8 is going to round up to the 300s. So 250 rounded to the nearest hundred would be 300. So if you're looking at my place value, my 4 tens had to round down because that's less than 5. My 7 tens had to round up because that's more than 5. And my 5 tens, we always round up when it's 5. So to reiterate, if you have a 1, 2, 3, or a 4, you're going to round down. If you have a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to be rounding up.